Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth. Make sure to work in a clean, well-lit area to avoid losing any small components. First, power off your HP all-in-one and unplug it from the wall. This is vital for your safety and will prevent any accidental damage during the repair process. Now, place the device face down on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Next, locate the screws securing the back panel. Typically, there are around 4 screws on the back. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to prevent losing them. Once the screws are removed, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and gently work your way around the edges. Be cautious not to apply too much pressure, as this could damage the clips holding the panel in place. If you encounter resistance, check for any additional screws that may have been missed. With the back panel removed, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the computer using your microfiber cloth. This not only keeps your device in good condition but also improves airflow and performance. Remember, if you prefer professional assistance, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, locate the screen assembly. You will see several screws securing the screen to the frame. Carefully remove these screws and set them aside. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect the screen cable from the motherboard. This is usually a flat cable that can be pulled out with your fingers, but be careful to avoid pulling too hard. If you don't have the tools or prefer not to do this yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, ensuring a hassle-free repair experience. After the screen is fully disconnected, take your new screen and align it carefully with the frame. Reconnect the screen cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is secure. Once connected, replace the screws you removed earlier to hold the screen in place. Now, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace the screws you initially removed to secure the back panel. Before powering on the computer, take a moment to clean the new screen with your microfiber cloth to remove any fingerprints or dust accumulated during the repair. Finally, plug in your HP all-in-one and power it on. If everything is connected correctly, your new screen should light up beautifully. If you encounter any issues, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs beforehand. Congratulations on successfully replacing your HP all-in-one screen. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.